At Charlotte High School, the day starts a little early and smells a little different. Out here, textbooks take a backseat to troughs, hay bales, and hard work.
Danielle, you're on my hose, girl.
Sophomore Isabella Crigler isn't just a student, she's an officer in the school's FFA chapter, raising her own pig as part of the agricultural program.
It definitely teaches you a whole lot about responsibility and work. It's a lot of work. You spend a lot of time here. I spend maybe 2 to 3 hours here.
Isabella's project is part of a larger mission,
Trying to get her belly.
preparing students to step directly into Charlotte County's growing agricultural and animal science industry after graduation. And for Haley Rosetti, a magnet student just starting out, it's an introduction to a world she always wanted to be a part of.
This is my first year here, so I applied for the chapter pig so I could learn more about livestock and get more into livestock, especially market, and it's a good opportunity to learn.
From animal science to agribusiness, students are building career skills through the county's workforce development program, a partnership connecting classroom learning to real-world needs.
Damon's 100, right?
175.
Oh my gosh.
This past year, those lessons got even more hands-on with the opening of a student-run feed store right on campus.
I wanted a way for the students to have access to some of the show brand feeds that they need to be successful with their livestock projects for the fair.
Teacher Deanna Thompson has been leading the agricultural department for the last 8 years, and she's watched her students grow, quite literally, from beginners to business leaders.
A small business type atmosphere that's very controlled and at a manageable scale, and the kids have been loving it.
For these students, the lessons learned in the barnyard and at the feed counter are sowing the seeds of something bigger.
All right, Bluebell.
Pride, purpose,
Some marshmallows?
and a future rooted right here in the community.
Do you want it?
For CCTV,
I love some marshmallows.
I'm Tom Lloyd.